Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Drive. The all-new 2025 Chevy Camaro ZL1. Aggressive new design with a wider stance and aerodynamic enhancements. LED headlights with adaptive beam technology and fog lights. 20-inch forged aluminum wheels with high-grip tires. Power folding side mirrors with auto-dimming and memory. Unique ZL front fascia with carbon fiber hood and fender vents. Performance-oriented interior with suede-like microfiber inserts. 12-inch digital instrument cluster with customizable display. 10-inch touchscreen display with intuitive interface. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. 8-speaker Bose premium audio system. Advanced driver assistance system, ADAS, with level 2 autonomy. 360-degree camera system with predictive analytics. Blind spot monitoring with active intervention. Rear cross traffic alert with automatic braking. 6.2L supercharged V8 engine producing 670 horsepower. 6-speed manual transmission or 10-speed automatic electronic limited slip differential with performance traction management. Smartphone app for remote start, climate control, and vehicle tracking. Voice command system with natural language processing. Performance data recorder with track mode. Head-up display with customizable display. Heated and ventilated front seats with memory. Unique ZL badging and interior trim length. 190.2 inches width. 74.7 inches height. 53.1 inches wheelbase. 111.1 inches starting price. $64,995. Thank you for watching and take care.